Hi friends, I'm Shee Ching and today's video is on this cute, heartsy Valentine's Day makeup look. If you're interested in knowing how I got this look, please keep watching. So I'm starting off with a moisturized face. I'm using this Glow On Oil Primer because it makes my skin looks very glowy and my skin feels very moisturized with it on. And then I'm using the Double Lasting Cushion Foundation as my base. I really like this foundation because it has high coverage and it looks really natural on me. I'm using Play 101 pencil in the shade 9. So this shade has a peachy undertone, and peachy colors helps to cancel out the darkness under our eyes, and my eyes need it a lot. After that, I'm using a pot concealer to go over the peachy concealer that I used just now. Ugly face alert! I'm also using the pot concealer around my cheeks, my chin, and my nose. As my face powder for this time, I'm using a green base face powder because green can cancel out red color, and I'm only putting it on the areas that my face will get red easily, which is my cheeks, my nose, and my chin. And also don't worry about putting green on your face because the green here is quite sheer and it's not obvious at all. And then I'm just filling in my eyebrows following the natural shape of my brows. For my eye makeup, I'm mainly using this two Play 101 pencil. The 11th shade is a shimmery peachy tone, so I'm placing it all over my lids. And then I'm applying the 34th shade, which is a purple pink on the outer side of my eyes and blending it towards the middle. And because I don't want to overput the pink on my eyes, I'm gonna build it up bit by bit. Using the same pink color, I'm applying it on the outer part of my under eye. Using the shade 11 that I used to apply all over my lids just now, I'm applying it all over my under eye, over my pinks, over the waterline, over my inner tear duct. I'm lining my upper waterline using a brown pencil. And because I want more shimmer, I'm applying the Mirrorholic in the middle of my eyes. And onto the highlight of my eye makeup, I'm using the same pink that I used all over my eyes as my eyeliner. I'm curling my eyelashes as usual and I'm using the Dr. Mascara Fixer as my eyelash primer. I'm using a mascara that has two colored brushes, which is a black one and a brown one. I'm coating my upper lashes with the black brush and I'm coating my lower lashes with the brown brush. And now I'm finally adding some colors and some shadows into my face. I'm contouring my jaw, my forehead, and my cheeks using the contour wheel. I am adding some blush to my cheeks using the Play 101 pencil in the shade 35. So all of these pencils are quite versatile. You can actually use it in a lot of things like eyeliner, eyeshadow, blush, and even to your lips. The formula is quite creamy, so you can actually use your fingers or your sponge to blend it. And then I'm gonna highlight my face using my new favorite highlight stick, the Play 101 stick, all over my face. Literally all over my face. For my lips, I'm using the same shade that I use as my blush, which is the shade 35 as my lip color. I'm lining the inner part of my lips using the same purple pink color that I used on my eyes. And the makeup look is done. You can actually stop here and just be done with the makeup look, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna be as extra as I can be. If you want to see how extra I can be, please continue to watch this video. So because this is a Valentine's Day makeup look, I'm adding a few mini hearts on my cheeks because what's more to represent Valentine's Day than hearts, you know? And this is the completed makeup look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like my version of a Valentine's Day makeup look. It's quite different, cute, and girly at the same time. I hope that you would try this look at home. Bye!